Hello guys and girls, and welcome to another video for the Arcadium Beta 2 release, which is coming out in a few weeks. First of all, I'd like to say Happy Easter to everyone out there who's watching. I hope you had an enjoyable and safe holiday. Okay, let's get into it. First up, as you'll notice, I have changed the crosshair, which is quite cool. It basically means that all the new features will be easier to see with the new crosshair. And to begin with, let's just show you that I've got the first person is working as normal. Now the new feature is with the third person, or the top-down camera. We've actually changed it so that when you hit the T button, it will change it, or whatever button you set to it really will change it to this perspective here. Now as you can see, we've set it so that you can point anywhere with the cursor and basically shoot in that direction, as you can see. Now the good thing about this is that we've set up the controls so that depending on which direction the camera is looking, in this case it's looking in a northerly direction, which is this way. You'll notice that when I press W, I move in the north direction, and S is south, and the other keys represent their own direction. So I could basically look any direction I want and move north, south, east and west without actually changing the direction of walk. So basically I could shoot in any direction I want, and my reflexes of which direction I'm walking in to escape enemies changes completely. This is a feature that I have not seen in Half-Life 2 before, and thanks to our talented coder named Zeke, we have managed to get this to work properly. So I'll show you the next feature that I'm going to show you in this quick video, which is the pickup system. So we'll just move on down to the next room. Okay, as you can see here, we have some new pickup boxes that I have made. Now I'll just jump into first person mode, and as you can see, they have animations where they both float and do a little bounce. Eventually I will change it so it looks a lot neater, but for now it works. So let's take a look at these. Basically these are a new entity that Zeke has made for us, where it is a dynamic prop with some new features added onto it. So basically when I walk into this prop, I get the SMG with 65 bullets. Now I can shoot this SMG as much as I want until the ammo runs out, and then the gun will disappear and I'm back to the pistol. Now, the same thing happens with this one here, but in the entity I've changed it so you get 60 ammo. This is just to show that the customization options in the new entities that we are creating in this game can be used for custom mappers, so that they can go into the game and they can set the pickups wherever they want them to work. And that's pretty much it for now. Eventually I'll be showing you guys the new props, the new entities for the NPC spawners that we're creating. Eventually what we want to do is make the NPCs work on a difficulty section where, depending on how long you actually play the map for, you will get harder and harder enemies that will approach you. So every room you clear, you basically get a point. That point adds up to a total amount, and depending on what number of rooms you've cleared, you will get an enemy depending on how far you've gone into the game. And these can be all set through an entity that is being made at the moment. That's pretty much it. Just make sure you keep checking the ModDB profile for any new updates. As I said earlier, the Beta 2 release is going to be coming out quite soon, so keep your eye out for that. And in the meantime, just yeah, stay safe.